The kitties are playing with you. Yeah. Well, what about the kitties? You forgot about them already? Oh, yeah? You like the camera, don't you? Yeah. What else can you say? Can you say good morning? Good morning, everybody. How about it's a beautiful morning? Wow. I think I'll go outside for a walk and just smile. Take in some clean, fresh air now. No sense in staying inside if the weather's fine and you got the time. It's your chance to wake up and play. Yeah! Gotta say, it's okay. A do 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 do. Yeah? I usually get a much bigger smile for that song. But because there's a light on the camera, he's very distracted. Oh, yeah? Show me those dimples some more, baby love. You heard Fanny go through the door? Yeah. Have a big smile? Can I have a big smile? Giovanni, come here. Get Giovanni to come over here. So cute. Mr. Cuteness. Enzo, Mommy loves you. I love you. Can you say I love you? I know you can.